Hello everyone. Today we'll walk you through how decision modeling becomes smarter and more impactful when paired with MIS and DSS through the lens of OODA Framework. We have also deep dived into a real life consulting case from Infosys in the manufacturing sector to show how this works in real life. I am Sampada and along with me I have Jitendra and Aditya, and together we'll take you through this journey. Let's begin with the basics. Decision modeling is essentially the backbone of structured decision making in an organization. It helps leaders step back, understand what's happening, evaluate alternatives, and choose the most effective path forward using data and models. Why does it matter? Because in fast-moving environments, especially like manufacturing, uncertainty is constant. Decision modeling reduces that uncertainty, brings clarity, and makes decision making consistent instead of intuitive. Think of it as turning guesswork into a repeatable framework. To make this idea more concrete, companies like Infosys are using the OODA framework, which is Observe-Orient-Decide-Act. It is a simple but powerful loop originally created for high-pressure environments, but today it is widely used in operations and consulting. Observe. Everything begins with gathering information, spotting what's changing, what's breaking, and what needs attention. Orient. Then we analyze, we understand the context, compare patterns, and explore possible approaches. Decide. Based on the understanding, we select the best possible actions. Act. And finally, we execute and monitor the results, feeding new insights back into the loop. What makes OODA valuable is that it's continuous. Decisions improve every cycle. Now let's connect OODA to our core topic, which is MIS and DSS. Both systems trend in different stages of the OODA loop. During observation, MIS plays a crucial role. It provides structured reports, which is production numbers, KPIs, quality metrics, etc., giving a clear picture of what's happening on the ground. In the Orient and Decide stages, DSS becomes the engine. It runs simulations, forecasts outcomes, and helps compare alternatives using data models. And when we act, both MIS and DSS feed the outcomes back into the loop, ensuring every subsequent cycle becomes smarter. So essentially, MIS and DSS can create digitally augmented OODA loop, which is faster, more accurate, and far more proactive.
Thank you, Sampada. Now that we understand the decision framework and how DSS and MIS fit into it, let's look at how a real consulting giant Infosys applies this in manufacturing. Infosys has decades of experience in digital transformation across industries with deep expertise in cloud, ERP modernization, AI, analytics, and automation. In the manufacturing world, Infosys plays a critical role. They integrate software systems with enterprise platform. They enable Industry 4.0 adoption. They build connected manufacturing ecosystems and implement data-driven decision architecture. Essentially, they help manufacturers to transition from reactive decision-making to predictive and intelligent operations. So how does Infosys support and accelerate the OODA cycle? They do it through a combination of powerful digital capabilities. So first come Infosys Cobalt, that modernize cloud infrastructure so that manufacturers can access the data anytime, anywhere. Then come SAP. It provides a unified ERP backbone which standardizes the processes across all plants and eliminate fragmented ecosystem. And finally, AI and ML model, which strengthen the Orient and Design stages by predicting failures, forecasting demand, and recommending actions. The impact is clear: faster decision cycle, reduced legal complexity, and real-time operational visibility. So in short, Infosys doesn't just support OODA, but it digitizes and accelerates it.
Thanks, Jitendra. Let's now look at how all of this plays out in real world through the Infosys Siemens Gamesa case. Siemens Gamesa is a global leader in wind turbine manufacturing, but after a merger, the company found itself dealing with highly fragmented IT landscapes, 12 different ERP systems, over 1,300 peripheral applications, and 22 plants operating without standardized processes. This completely broke the OODA loop. Observations were fragmented, orientation were inconsistent, decisions were delayed, and action suffered because all real-time visibility was missing. They needed a unified digital core to restore and strengthen OODA end-to-end. To solve this, Infosys implemented a comprehensive digital transformation. They deployed a greenfield SAP system, creating one consistent ERP across the organization. Using Infosys Cobalt, they built a unified digital architecture on the cloud. Panaya automation ensured smooth testing and rollouts. Workflows across all plants were standardized. Real-time dashboards enabled faster decision support. This strengthened every OODA stage. Observed through unified and real-time data, Orient through analytics and DSS modeling, decide through predictive insights and simulation, act through streamlined processes, enabling faster execution. The outcome were also powerful, live in 13 countries with zero downtime, application count reduced from 1300 to around 200, much faster manufacturing decisions, and a unified digital culture across the organization.